Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio, SDK, and Play services installed. Next, create a new Android project targeting API 21 or higher and add the Maps dependency in build. Gradle so the library is available. Once done, request a Google Maps API key in Google Cloud Console, enable Maps SDK for Android, and restrict the key to your app's package name and SHA1. Make sure to place the key in your project's manifest as a metadata entry, so the map can authenticate immediately. You now implement the map UI. Add support map fragment or map view to your layout and request runtime location permission from the user so location features work. Then initialize the map in your activity or fragment by calling getMapAsync and implementing on MapReady callback. This gives you a Google Map instance where you can act. Once you have it, enable My Location if permitted, set map type, tweak UI settings, add markers or polylines, and animate the camera to focus on points of interest for a smooth user experience. You finish by adding advanced features and validating behavior. Integrate routing using the directions API or your backend, then parse routes and draw polylines on the map for turn-by-turn visuals. Make sure to handle map view lifecycle methods or fragment lifecycle correctly to prevent resource leaks. Finally, test on a physical device with Play services and confirm the API key and permissions work. If things go wrong, check Logcat for authentication or permission errors and verify the API key restriction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.